strong.
Hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Arjun. And today I'm going to show you a robot which I made. It is a car robot and I made it using wood blocks. So as you may be wondering, what is wood blocks? So wood blocks is a company that makes robotics easier for beginners. Like if you want to learn robotics, I would suggest you all wood blocks is the best level to start. And today I'm going to show you an intro to wood blocks and my intro to a car. And before that I'm going to tell you what is wood blocks. So wood blocks are a few chips that they give in sets. So those chips look like this. And every single chip has many features, like one buzzes, one gives the input, one gives the output, one gives the power to the robot, one drives the motor, and etc. So I'm going to show you a first level of wood blocks, and the second level of wood blocks is for Arduino Uno. So you can code the Arduino Uno and connect it to these wood blocks chips. But these robots don't need any coding, so it's easier. And now I'm going to show you the robot demo. So this is the robot. I'm just going to explain the features, and these are my Rubik's cubes, and these are going to be the obstacles for the robot. Now this robot has some features, like if it goes too close to a obstacle, it stops. And the next feature is, like, if you switch off the light and it's dark and you don't know where's the robot, that time the dark sensor will sense it's dark and the light will turn on. And the next sensor is, mistakenly if you lead the robot to a fire, there's a heat sensor right here, which will sense the fire heat and put the buzzer alarm, a loud buzzer alarm. So from distance you can hear it and see. Okay, so I'll just place at the start and just make a wall like this and put this here. Dun. It's moving and it pushes. Now I told you that it actually senses, but if you make this too low, it pushes. So there are two modes for the sensor. Now if I put it all high and if I reassemble this high, it's going to stop at the point. See? Now I know it stopped because of these two obstacles, and I'll remove all of them. And if I move this a bit like this, it continues going. Now next sensors, but as you can see the light didn't turn on. That's because I've turned on the lights of the house. And now if I turn off the lights of the house, now no more obstacles made. And I can just put a wall, small wall. And I'm going to switch off the lights. Now it's pitch dark. And I also don't know how to switch. I think it's here. It's here. As you can see, the light has turned on. And it still stops. The light is here. And still continues going and stops at the point. Now I'm just going to turn on the lights. So now I'm going to explain the process, and first this is the power chip. The power chip is connected to the battery over here. A little bit can't seen, but there's a battery connected to the power chip for power supply, and this power supply is for the whole entire robot. So this is gone by a distance sensor that is over here. This distance sensor only, like if I put an object here, It senses if this object is there and stops. And now this invert, it inverts these whatever blocks are coming after it. Here's the in-out because I want to make this dark over here and I can't put it over here because whenever this motor is running, it will sense and we don't want that. So there are two motor drivers over here, and this in-out red block is connected to this out block, and there's a dark sensor which senses the dark. Here's the sensor, this thing, and there's a light over here, and this senses the heat. It senses over here, and if it senses heat, this is the buzzing sound will come. So if you find out bit blocks interesting, you can post a message in the comment section below and I will make more tutorials about bit blocks. And before you leave, please like, share and subscribe.